Hello again everyone, this is me Ashana. We have a hostel job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, 5:16, that will be Thursday. The job description for this is hotel operation or cleaning. So the job is located in Arakawa Ward in Tokyo, and the nearest station will be in Minowa station. So we are looking for two people for this, and the salary for this is from 192,000 yen to 300,000 yen. So during the interview, you are free to ask about the salary, the bonuses. So this is scheduled for interview tomorrow. So again, the job description is cleaning. So if you are willing to apply for this one, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, Thursday. The interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply, we only need two people for this position. So you can comment down below. Thank you.